These steps will guide you through the process of how to create multi-display groups within the Datapath Display Driver configuration tool. First, choose the Start Wizard option. Next, you can select Recommended or Custom Wiring. Recommended wiring will auto-assign the outputs to balance the system load. Custom allows the user to specify the screen connection manually. Recommended is the preferable option. Choose which of the three options is relevant to your display technology. For example, selecting Displays with Bezels will guide you through the process of configuring a video wall made up of standard screens with a frame around the edge of the display. Now to design your video wall. Find the manufacturer and model from the drop-down lists. If they're not listed, then click on Create Custom Display. Select the relevant mode type and display mode, again using the drop-down menus. For more advanced options, you can also choose Custom Mode and Show Display Timings. Next, add the number of displays across and displays up. Choose Bezel Compensation to be on or off. And when all the relevant fields have been populated, click on Add Displays and Continue at the bottom right of the screen. To set up another independent display group from the same machine, select Add Another Display Group and repeat the process. Click and drag display groups to reposition them. Clicking the icon at the corner of a display group allows you to choose which is the primary display. When editing is complete, select Finish to save the changes you've made. Finally, you'll need to agree to a system restart to apply the changes. Choosing Yes will reboot your system. That's it! Your configuration settings have been applied to your Datapath Video Wall controller.